we're gonna make it hot. It's hot now. Now we're gonna put the onions. Put all the onions. You gotta keep your face away so you don't pop your face. Okay?
Why? That's the answer.
Why? You mean why? There's a reason.
Yeah. No,
So-
answer.
No, it's a reason.
Reason.
Why? Because you might get your face burned.
But how do you get your face burned? From the fire?
By getting closer to it.
Oh. But what are you making today? What are you making?
Nothing.
So what are you making for your family and all this stuff?
I don't know. Cut potatoes.
Anyway, you really need some help because there's a reason that you don't. But how do you make these?
Because when I grow up, I need to learn how to cook.
So that's so important because she's making something. That's why, because she has to make something because their family has to cook something. That's why, because that's the reason. Okay. So hello to your, because I'm just doing.